The armature is the central part of your power tool's motor. It consists of windings, the commutator, a cooling fan, the drive shaft, and the bearings. The armature, along with the field, create an electromagnetic field that causes the armature to spin. The carbon brushes transfer electricity to the armature through the commutator. Over time, the commutator will wear from this constant contact. If the tool is overloaded, the armature can overheat, and the insulation around the windings will burn away, creating a short circuit. When this occurs, there will be excessive sparking from the motor brushes and smoke or a burning smell from the motor. Replacing the armature is a repair that you can do yourself, and I'm going to show you how.
Hi, I'm Mark Socha.
Do-it-yourself repairs like these are easier than you might think. From lawn machines to cordless drills, kitchen mixers,
Outdoor grills.
our how-to videos walk you through each repair from start to finish. So doing it yourself means never having to do it alone.
Let's get started.
I'll begin by removing the front half of the handle assembly. Next, I'll remove the motor brushes. Now I'll remove the 4 screws that secure the motor housing. And now I can remove the armature. Now I can install the new armature. To reassemble, I want to make sure that the bent portion of the shaft lock is pointing towards the upper guard. I'll place the armature onto the shaft lock and then place this assembly back into the housing. Now I'll reinstall the motor housing. I slide it over the armature and align it with the upper guard. I'll secure it with the screws. Now I'll reinstall the compression spring for the shaft lock. I place it over the end of the shaft and then into the housing. Now I'll reinstall the handle housing. Snap it into place and I'll secure it with the screws. And now I'll reinstall the switch button. And that's all it takes to install a new armature in your power tool. Be sure to check back often for new videos and expert advice. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up.
And leave a comment.